What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be all about editorial, industrial warehouse type situation going on here. As you've seen in my last video, I'm using a wide angle reflector. I think I'm gonna pull that back out today with a regular standard reflector, and I also may use my 42-inch softbox, of course. And also I'm gonna use a Nikon Z7 for all these photos. Now, the model is gonna be with me to do all this today is
Hacker Mistress.
Yes, and if you want to work with it, of course, it would have been popped on the screen. It would have been in the description box below, as usual. Are you ready to get these type good fashions in?
Yes.
Now, as you can see, like I said, we're doing this whole business suit, just type outfit. As you can see behind me, it's just really gonna be dope. It's really, really industrial. It's kind of a bandit warehouse we're gonna do this with. So we just got this whole area to kind of play with. So we're really gonna play with it, really go editorial style, may shoot around the F5 and above, maybe, just kind of get some different looks here. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. Ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. see, she was in that black outfit. It was absolutely just dope, this little location that we was able to get all these different type of looks. Right now she's switching on to the second outfit. May gonna go ahead and switch over to the 35 Sigma 1.2 to get a whole lot of wide, definitely in this industrial string to really kind of flatten her out in this nice look that she got coming out here right now. And of course I'm gonna be using Nikon, and of course you know I'm gonna use that 105. You know I'm gonna break it out eventually, so it's just gonna do what it does. Boom, boom, boom. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that me and Miss Hacker Gamer just done for you. How'd you enjoy that?
It was so much fun. I had a great time. I think we got so many great shots.
Yes. And of course you've seen some of them, all right, because you made it to the end of the video. And of course, if you want to work with her, please hit her up in her DMs on IG. Of course, it would have popped on the screen right here. It's going to be in the description box below. Now, as well, like I said, we just kind of did a lot of things, a lot of fashion editorial stuff. I was really kind of bumped up in the F5 range and just really kind of just killed it out. Just really went really fashion. I used nothing but the hard light, as you can see behind me, with this standard 7-inch reflector and this wide angle reflector. That's the only thing I used out here because I decided I just want to go real harsh light and just really just kind of bring the best out of this editorial style type shoot. And that's pretty much about it. Like I said, I use mostly, you know, my Z7 and my Nikon Z7, of course, with the A7R III with the Sigma 35 1.2. Now, if you enjoy my content, you like what I'm over here doing on this channel, please go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my work. If you want to see her again, she may not come back. You want to come back?
I'm coming back.
She's coming back. Okay, until the next video, peace.
Thank you.
All right.